Brittany of WTI, and I got some sharp looking knives to show you.
This 5-knife set is made by Mad Shark. They all fit so nicely on our magnet. They cut so easily into hard things like potatoes, like butter. I love even the cute little logo of the shark. We're big shark fans, and you definitely feel that these can cut through anything. I can cut everything into teeny tiny pieces to mince things like garlic. So easy to clean, to just scrub and rinse off. It comes with this awesome cloth that not only dries but polishes your knives so they look brand new. I just loved all the different knives that come. They're just everything that you need. I love how it's all one piece metal. They are beautiful. The handles are so easy to hang on to. They not only do such a good job but look so beautiful on our wall. Because they're so sharp, it's so easy to give a simple incision to easily remove skins, to then slice very thinly into any onion, tomato, perfect for cutting into anything, even if it's layers, meat. If you're wanting to cube them into small pieces, this was just so easy to give those little inserts to make sure all those flavors can really get into the meat. They're just such a great thing to be able to grab, to cut up, whether you're making a big salad, chopping up ingredients for a sheet pan dish. It's great for even hard things like walnuts. It cut into it so easily, and then you can just switch from one thing to the next and make your delicious meals.
The quality, the look, everything about these knives I absolutely loved. And that's my point of view.